3 injured in Bagua crash. Wanted man among 5 arrested in St. Anne. 18-year-old charged following police operation in downtown Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 3 people, including a schoolboy, were rushed to the Linstead Hospital in St. Catherine after the vehicle they were traveling in crashed along the Linstead bypass. The incident happened about 2:50 p.m. Tuesday afternoon. It is reported that the 3 were traveling in a Nissan Note motor car towards Bagwalk when the crash occurred. On reaching the community of Shenton, the driver of a black Toyota Wish motor car was heading in the opposite direction, reportedly came into the path of the Nissan. More details to come following further investigations. A wanted man was among 5 persons taken into custody following the seizure of a firearm and several rounds of ammunition in Pear Tree Bottom, Runaway Bay, St. Anne on Tuesday. Reports from the Sentence Bay Police are that about 5:35 a.m., a team conducted a targeted operation in the area where several premises were searched. 23-year-old Kevin Fletcher, otherwise called Tippy, of Linstead St. Catherine, who was listed as wanted, was subsequently found in possession of a 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 3 rounds. 4 others were also taken into custody. However, their identities are being withheld pending further investigations. Cops assigned to the Kingston Western Division have arrested and charged 18-year-old Raheem Williams with possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition in relation to an incident that took place on Beckford Street in downtown Kingston Tuesday morning. The police report stated that about 5:30 a.m., lawmen were on an operation in the area when they saw Williams, who is of East Street, Kingston, and Lacovia St. Elizabeth addresses, in the company of a group of men whose action indicated that they were in the process of committing a robbery.